What's up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. So here's the big news I had said about in the last video. The Accord is going for sale. Actually, I already posted it for sale and I sold it last night. I'm getting ready today to go do the title work and etc. I had already looked at another car and stuff, and that guy's gonna meet me right at the notary. So the Accord is getting sold, and it's very unfortunate. I don't really want to, but you know, that's another reason I'm going to explain here in a minute. But yeah, guys, also at the end of this video, or toward the end of this video, you will see the new car that I'm purchasing, and I'm going to tell you why I purchased it and, you know, everything else. So into this for now, why I sold the Accord. But yeah, guys, a lot of you might know this, a lot of you might not, but back over the summer, my mom was diagnosed with stage 2 breast cancer, and she lives out in Pittsburgh, but she's down south right now doing treatments and stuff like that. But anyways, she comes back up in about a month and a half. Hopefully it might be a little longer than that, but she lives in Pittsburgh, and I would like to be able to be there and help out with her, and you know, my sister and stuff lives out there as well. So I'm selling the Accord because I don't really want to have to deal with anything breaking on it when I get out there. Plus, just financially, it's what I have to do. And not to say I'm never going to own another one, because I probably will. Just, I need to get out there and get myself set up first. And that's the complete truth behind all of it. So, like I said, I didn't really want to sell it, but times like this, I gotta go. I gotta do it. Also, that doesn't mean either that I'm giving up the YouTube channel. There's gonna be plenty of car meets out there I'm gonna hit, keep doing videos like I do, and at some point I will buy another car for the channel. But until that time comes, we're gonna be driving the car you guys will see later on this video. Yeah, guys, we are on the way right now to the notary to get the titles transferred, and I'm having the other guy that I'm buying a car from, he's just meeting me right over there, so this all works out really well. I couldn't have asked for it to happen any better, honestly. I'm not sure if I mentioned that before, but if not, here I am mentioning it again. Alright guys, car is gone. I'll probably pull the video from my phone. I didn't even film it on this, but I'll probably pull the video from my phone, put it in this video so you guys will see that. But right now, this is the man I'm buying a car from. He's giving me a ride back to the car from the notary. We already went and did that. He's got a Ford Focus ST. Might make him rip on it once if we get a little room here. But I've never ridden in one of these, but they seem nice. Everybody talks a lot of...
Yeah, they're pretty fast.
Yeah, well, there's a lot of hate to these cars, yeah. But, you know.
You always hate winners.
Yeah. Oh, gee. You know what Ford really stands for?
First on race day.
No, fix or repair daily.
Yeah.
You know, they circle the problem. You know?
Or found on race day, or found on rush and dump.
Yeah. But if anything, we will see you guys back over there, and I'll show you the car that I purchased. Oh, here we go. Little rip. All stock.
Yeah. Go on an angle, bub. Go on an angle.
I don't want to pick the front bumper up. That thing is dirty.
Oh, you hit it.
All right, folks, we made it. This is the car I bought. This is 2000 Volvo S70. It's front wheel drive, right?
Yep, front wheel drive.
Yeah. Fortunately, it's not the all wheel drive, but whatever. We'll
less maintenance.
Yep, less maintenance. We'll get over that. It'll be fine. But this car for me will be turn the key over and go. So no issues, no worries. It's mechanically sound. And that's it. I'll do another video on it at some point here soon. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, subscribe to the channel, give this video a big thumbs up. And right now I'm currently, I just left the guy's house that I bought the car from, and we're driving right now. And I must say, this thing is silent inside. Like, I can't hear anything. It's awesome, honestly. But I'm gonna go ahead and jump into another video of making this and just, you know, stuff about the car. So I will see you guys then in the next video.